motherfucker definitely slaps. Y'all know I'll just chill out and vibe to a beat, so you gotta excuse me for being me. Yeah, it is my video. Make sure y'all, link in with your boy and then get your networking on. Yeah, like I said, if you actually got that business, we'll make sure we keep you popping. You dig? Of course, y'all know to go check out the big homies over on Higher Desert Exotics. Here's a little quick recap of the top guests so far. Drop they buy me a coffee link, but y'all know to go check them out on YouTube or hit the buy me a coffee link. They done had pretty good interviews. Y'all see they going through their lists. Out here getting it in. Shout out to Little Rich's Garden Shop. Number 20. I don't know that guy. Who is that? Shout out to the Soil King. Y'all gonna see him at Canifest. That's funny because I first met him right after he did his first Canifest here in Kansas City. It wasn't his first time, but it was their first Canifest ever. So at that location. So nice and good. Shout out to Casey downtown. Downtown.
Now today's show we got news coming up.
Those are other videos. Anyways, we're done with the videos. But y'all already know what time it is. I'm gonna get y'all up out my business so y'all don't be seeing what the hell I got going on. Like, you really looking at my playlist. Shout out to my algorithm, because that's what I see. Hey, if you see me in your algorithm, hey, that's what you need to see. Shout out to me. I know I was late. I'm sorry for the people that are saying, but Popcorn, you didn't make it at 6 o'clock. But what happened? Well, shit happens. I got real life shit to do too some days, so you dig? But hell, I put in work. And then I got here to put in this work. But like I said, that light just came on. So we gonna go over there and see what's growing on. Which is, as y'all already know, the Miles Hydro. We got the TWP 2000 in this bitch. And some autos from Bear Miller. Shouts out to some of the OG company. Because you know that big homie hooked me up with some genetics. He hit me up with that auto army in 2024 and told me to keep them growing. So you dig? We shall and will. Yeah, look at them ladies out here kicking it. Kicking it. I see him. I see him. I'm finna put 3 more in here because I want this still to stay full with 6. 3 of them died, so gotta replace them. Shouts out to just being ready to put in the work, right? And of course, Tent 2 is on. Shouts out to the Vivo son. Y'all know how we do it with Tent 2. Boom. But all 6 of these lovely ladies look like they having a good time. Shouts out to them, right? Slow motion for you.